Hello there, moving people. Back to another video with Petrakis and Helix. So we're catching up. I left you in the last video with the driving part to this destination called Mazaron. We spent some days working, and now we're going on with the journey. Today's mission is following: is to get some vacuum cleaning for this baby here, because it's been a while, and let's say get some water. We need water for the tank, and yeah, maybe the one or the other how do you say it? Brain freeze. So getting ready. The first destination we're gonna be driving to will be the spot where I spent the past days. I just wanted to show you because it's like yeah, let's say another normal spot while driving and doing this. Just to show you where I spend the past days, and it's also close to where we can do the rest. Let's do it. So, maybe a less romantic spot, but hey. So this is the spot. Pretty relaxed. Very relaxed actually. And yeah, fluctuating other campers here and there. And in the meantime, I realized that I didn't need so much to like get from the shop. So yeah, got myself a bunch of kiwis and a nice smoothie. So yeah, that's that, and we're heading off now to do the aspiradore, and hopefully get also some water, and then we're off to the place where we want to reach today. Supposed to be kind of hill with a good view. That's what it said, or at least that's what I know. Let's move on. So we're kind of inside, but I have to check if I fit underneath. It's a tight cone, but we can put a bit further back. So we managed. We're packed up, parked up. Looks good. So let's see. And rock and roll with the aspiradore. Let's see. So gotta get some of the random stuff out before we start. Random meaning with waters, pantufles, juices, charger, some drum stools, Colts wedges, and the candles. So let's go. Putting it in. Let's dive in, baby. Let me get you with me inside. And let's do this. And I will be ashamed to go with the shoes inside, right? Are you hearing me now? So this is it. We'll pack everything back inside and ask for the water. Okay, it's possible to refill it here directly, but I have to park Helix again to that spot. So we can do that situation. Super! We cannot use the new canister, but hey. It's so called Pelamos. So, my friends, somehow there is water here. Let's see. So it's probably this one, I guess. Water. Okay. So we put ourselves here. And 1 minute of water. Let's see. Does it? Okay. Oh, wait. I just put you here because I don't have 4 arms yet. So, 1 minute after, or the 1 moment after, while having a visit at the W City, I remembered I did need the one or the other fresh thing and the caldo vegetales. So I got that, and we're getting ready. Oh. So, dialed in our situation, our location. No, I will find it. So just dialed in the stop talking. I'm okay again. Concentrate. just dialed in the location we want to visit today, and we're off. Hello there. The day after. At the end of the day, I forgot the filming yesterday. Anyway. So this is the spot for the night. It will be in a way the second night already spending here at this location. A short update. I picked up Thoralf, the guy you said from the last shot we saw driving up the mountain to this spot. Wait a sec. Check this beauty out. Cheek. Yo, when drove up to this hill or mountain. But this antenna situation where I thought there would be a place to park was not optimal, was too steep. From the one side it was worse than here. You get like a complete drop. So yeah, we drove on and we're kind of in a, let's say, old mining area now. Let me show it to you. We crossed also into Andalusia, so we are moving south slowly and steadily. And this will be it for this video. Thanks for tuning in until now. Thanks for the support. Feel free to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It helps, it does. And I'll be leaving you with some drone shots of the area. And catch you in the next one. Peace out and love in. Cheers!